Hey, what's up guys, JD here, and today I'm going to be working on my 1997 Golf. So today we're going to be installing this ECU chip from Reflect Tuning. It is a stage 1 with a 2-step, and we're going to get right into it. I'm going to show you all the stuff I do and everything. Okay, as you can tell from the intro, I already removed this piece, so it will sit on like this. So all you have to do is just unscrew these bolts and then get a flathead and pop it up, and then you take, like, before you do that, you take off the weather strip because that is in the way, and then this moves back and forth. You gotta slide it over and it will pop out. Alright, before any ECU work, we're gonna disconnect the battery. Alright, so grab your ratchet with the extension with a 10mm on. Alright, you're gonna want to disconnect the negative first, so because if you disconnect the positive while it's on, it's probably going to spark. Now you don't have to take it off all the way. You just do that. And now you're good. Take off the negative or positive. Now you don't have to take it off all the way. You just got to leave it right there. But make sure it doesn't touch anything. Alright, so into the ECU work. So there's 2 bolts. There's this bolt, like a nut. It doesn't really come off because there's a little gap right here. And then there's this bolt. Alright, so you're going to want to get off your extension. Now all you have to do is just do this a little bit. You don't have to disconnect it at all. Alright?
Now this one you want to disconnect all the way.
Alright, we got that done. Alright, now how to take out the ECU. Alright, so you're not gonna have this. This is a cabin air filter from a Mark IV. It was an upgrade. Alright, it was like an add-on. Alright, so what we're gonna do is, it's a little tricky, but you want to get it out a little bit, and then right there's 2 things. You just pull it, and then this will disconnect. You gotta like pull up on this. Alright, and it will disconnect, and then your ECU will just pop out. You gotta make sure there's 2 clips right here. 2 clips. You gotta pop them out. I already did. I forgot to show y'all. But then your ECU will just come out really easily. Alright, so here we have the ECU. Now you want to make sure you're not on carpet. You're not, like, your socks aren't touching the carpet, because then static electricity, and that could fry the ECU. Alright, so we're on wood. You know, it's not gonna create no static electricity. So there's 4 bolts. Alright, so let me show you what you need first. You need a Phillips, a long one. You need a screwdriver, like one of these from a toolbox, with a T15 Torx. And you need a little pick. Alright, so to take this apart, there's 1 screw right there. So you just get your Phillips in there. And you want to pay attention how, not really that doesn't really matter. You kind of want to pay attention how you put it back together. I mean, like the actual ECU and then like the plastic bit. Because if you do it wrong, then you're not going to get it like to slide back in where the ECU goes to your car. It's gonna be really hard, because when you plug in that the power line, and then see the shield comes off. So you're gonna grab your T15, and then there's 4 bolts right here. Alright, so you're just gonna loosen them up.
There's 1. There's 2. There's 4.
All right. Now look. So you got this angled. All right. It has to go back like this, because when you put that piece in, it will be better. Because like it will slide in and then, you know. All right. And you just gotta wiggle it. There we go. It's coming out. Ooh, there we go. All right. So this is what you need your pick for. You're gonna, you see these 2 corners right here? Right there. You're gonna.
A little pressure. You're gonna go underneath. You're gonna pop out. Put that. You get this corner and pop it right there.
And out pops your old chip. And here's the new chip from Reflect Tuning. You're just gonna get it out. All right, so let's see this. So right there, you can see there's a triangle, and right here you can see there's a dot. All right, so flip it over, and you see the corners, they match a little bit. So you're just gonna flip it right there, and then all right, so now it's in. All right, to put it back in, you just simply grab it, and then you just gotta slide it in, and boom, it's in. All right, so now you gotta grab your 4 Torx screws. You gotta put them in right there, right there, right there, and right there. And you're gonna grab your T15 screwdriver. You're gonna just screw them in.
You gotta tighten your screws down. Keep this one.
Alright. So now you want to put back on the shield, or not the shield, but like the harness. Gotta line these up. You're gonna flip it over.
We got right here. 10. Put this on.
Alright, so now you got it all back together. So let's go put it back in the car. Alright, to put it back in the car. Alright, so it goes back like this. You gotta line up. You're gonna grab this. You're gonna put it back here. You're gonna put it in, and then you're gonna match it up. Boom, it's in. Alright, and then you're gonna put this over here, line that up. Get your 10mm. And you can tighten this down now. There you go. It's all tight. Go back and check this one. There you go, it's all tight. So that's in place now, and now it's time to reconnect the battery. All right, so you're gonna reconnect the battery. All right, so positive goes on there like that. You wanna do positive first, so it doesn't spark. All right. So that's on. All right, and then now it's gonna beep.
Wow.
All right, so now it's all connected. So, you know, turn off your music, you know, even though I could still hear through the music. But yep, so now it's all set and ready. And before we put anything back, we're gonna turn on the car and let it run and see how it does. So let's get into that. All right, so first startup, put it in neutral. Turn into accessory mode for a little bit. All right. Sounds good so far. I'll get you guys back when it's all warmed up. Hey guys, JD here. Just finished editing. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts on my first video. Alright, see y'all in the next one. Peace.